This is silly. I'm gonna go ride 3 hours in the rain. Really, Chris? Really? That's me. Disintegrating into the rain. Oh, hey buddy. Should I go ride 3 hours in the rain? No, that's a stupid idea. Why would you do that? You should go back to bed. Yeah, good idea, bud. From there, just embrace the wet socks.
Ooh, she's damp. Cane just peeled off at waterfall. I'm gonna continue rolling.
That is insane.
Ah, that's a lot of water, especially when you're holding the wheel. Oh. Did you get him? He got him.
Lovely weather out today.
Yeah, not bad. It actually isn't that bad right now.
Keeping my rain jacket in the pocket for best.
It was savage in the dark with the water spray and the rain. John dropped his sunnies, Lukey dropped his light. Not rushing to get back.
No Russians here.
Crazy people.
I saw you
How
run.
are you, mate?
Fellow crazy person.
This is Chris in his natural habitat.
Alright, that's enough of that.
Oh, my heart rate's 85.
Mine's 175. Yikes.
Give us a look at the hole. Oh, that's full. That's. Oh, I don't think that's so.
Nah, should be alright.
Yeah, it's fine.
Morning. Oh, what a day, man. How are you? Last hill, we put the plastic bags on, and I hear a bit of air hissing from John's tyre.
Oh.
Yeah. Just what I thought. He's pretty much changed it by the time I got to the top of the hill. What was it?
It's this little green beer bottle boy.
What did you eat on today's ride? Nothing.
Had carbs in one of the bottles.
Carbs in the bottle. 2 gels, a Winners, a goo gel, Uncle Toby's white chocolate and raspberry oat bar, and so what saddlebag are you running, John?
Let's talk through the Skin Grows Back chair bag. Adjustable duvelaki, depending on how much chisel you have in there. Plenty of room for your flat tubes, heavy duty zipper, and pull string thingy. It has a nice little one of those.
Doesn't sound rattly either.
This is magnetic from here to here too.
This is the magic bit. Just goes over that. Just goes.
Mate, beautiful. Australian products. Doesn't get better.
Just letting everyone know we got here.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Ciao. Thanks for the brew.
Hey buddy. There it is. There it is.
You say hello? Oh, you gonna have a stretch first? Mate. You're a princess. Pat you so you can feel it. Tails wagging, we're good. Oh, I thought I nailed it. It's just gotta be done sometimes, you know? A good long ride in the rain. Does riding 3 or 4 hours sound appetizing on the trainer? Not to me, it doesn't. And it's been raining a lot recently, so if you've been riding the trainer or not a lot, why not just embrace it and go out in the rain? I mean, yeah, there's the risk of death and all the above, but it's just good to change it up. Get a good group of guys together, everyone commits, and everything tastes better afterwards. You're just so satisfied. Like, for the rest of the day, I just know that I've completed what I needed to do. I'm good. The coffee tastes sweeter. The eggs taste better. It's all good after the fact. Even with the adversity, like there were 3 flat tires today. Might I add, all Maxxed tires. I like Maxxed tires, but mate, the writing's on the wall. I'm still a space cadet. Thoughts are coming into my mind slowly. Lukey and I were chatting and we're saying that, yeah, we rode in the rain today to change it up. But in like the winter when it's freezing cold, it's not something you can do every day. Like every day coming home with freezing cold extremities, your hands and fingers being totally numb, and then they're painful when you have a shower. You can't back that up day after day. But in the warmer months, why not? Anyways, I'll leave this video here. I made today's video because I wanted to document this, and in a couple months time, when I'm lacking a bit of motivation, I don't want to go right outside when it's pouring out rain, I can look back and see how happy I was after today's ride, and maybe it will motivate me in future. But what do you think? We're experiencing a double El Nino, which means or maybe El Nino, which means plenty of rain this summer in Sydney, which is obvious. But has it made you consider riding out in the rain more, despite the dangerous conditions and all of the above? Let me know. Catch you later.